So for this recipe, you'll be needing half a cup of mashed avocado, a half a cup of fresh cilantro, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, and a half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Chop the herbs finely. Before doing so, you want to make sure you wash them well, and to give them a quick dry, you could put them in the salad spinner. And there you have it, a half a cup of cilantro. Pour the avocado in a large mixing bowl. Make sure you get it all in there. Toss in the cilantro. And squeeze that lemon. Okay, do not do this actually, because I dropped all the seeds inside, so I had to take them out. Oh well, you live and you learn. Now we're gonna grate the garlic. This is great because I feel like it allows to get all those juices out and that flavor. It's also super healthy for us. Just be careful. You might hurt yourself. Thank God I have long nails. So now we're gonna mix all the ingredients well together. You wanna make sure they're well incorporated. I'm getting some extra garlic here. Incorporate 1/3 of the flour. Give it a good mix. And I'm going in with my hands. This is the best way. It's all sticky. So that's a great test. So you're gonna use your hands to knead the dough, and you're gonna pour in the flour slowly but surely until it doesn't stick on your fingers like that anymore. Make sure you're kneading the dough, but not too much. You just wanna make sure that the dough is like consistently in one piece. Great workout for your forearms, let me tell you that. So after kneading it for a bit, you're gonna see that your dough is gonna become a little ball. You cover it up and you let it rest for at least 15 minutes. So to have something to go with my avocado flatbread, I decided to make a little filling. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic, finely diced because I want to make sure that it like melts into my recipe. And a half a cup of diced red onions. I'll also be using a can of organic black beans, or about 2 cups, a half a tablespoon of avocado oil, and I'm gonna stir in the red onions over medium heat. And then stir in that garlic. Oh yeah. And now we're gonna add them black beans. And don't forget to rinse them well if you're using them from a can. And 1 tablespoon of water so it doesn't dry up. Now we're gonna spice things up and add some curry powder to the mix. You can add it to your taste. I love exploring with different spices from all over the world. I feel like it creates such diversity. I'm just going in with a touch of salt and pepper. And also adding chili powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon. Give it some kick. Finally, I'm gonna squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, stir that in, cover it, and put it aside. So I prepared some quinoa, and that's gonna go in with my filling. Just take a fork, fluff it around. Now we're gonna cut the dough in half, and put that aside, dust your station with flour, and we're gonna start rolling that dough. Make it long and even. We're gonna cut that in equal pieces, okay? Dust it again. Dust your roller with it. And now you're gonna flatten the dough with the roller. Nice and evenly, and not too thin. Keep on doing that to all of your pieces. And when you're almost done, make sure you heat up a pan with no oil. Make sure it's nice and ready so you can lay that flatbread on it. Start cooking those babies up. About 1 minute on each side. You're gonna see how it's gonna start rising. And you just cook it until it's golden brown. That's the sign. And you're just gonna repeat the same process for all your breads. This is really fun to make at home. Finally, you brush it with some olive oil. And voila, the flatbread is ready. Now for the exciting part, we're gonna fill the bread with the filling and quinoa. Then add the watercress. Get that nutritional value in, really good for the blood. And just secure that with a toothpick to make it hold. This looks amazing, guys. I'm so proud of myself. It was the first time I made it. Serve it with a side of salad. Y buen provecho.